What if your content strategy could be driven automatically by real market pain signals, not guesswork? Hello, this is Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll walk you through an automated market discovery workflow that analyzes public discussions, identifies user pain points, generates content ideas, and routes them directly into your content pipeline with summaries and alerts. Step 1. Schedule Market Discovery Trigger. This trigger runs the workflow on a schedule. It controls when market discovery starts automatically without manual input, useful for running research weekly or daily. Step 2. Inject niche and keyword parameters. This node injects the niche and research query into the workflow. It defines what topic the AI should research. Example, N8N automations and lead generation workflows. Step 3. Extract raw user pain points from public discussions. This AI agent scans public discussions for the given niche and keywords. It extracts repeated pain points, complaints, and user language. The output is raw discovery data, not solutions. Step 4. Public Search and Social Intelligence Connector, MCP. This connector fetches public data from search and social platforms. It provides real-world conversations to the AI discovery agent. This ensures insights are based on actual user discussions. Step 5. OpenAI Reasoning Engine for Market Discovery. This model powers the Discovery AI agent. It helps analyze public content and identify patterns in user pain points. The output is structured for the next AI step. Step 6. Generate pain-driven content ideas from market signals. This AI agent converts raw pain points into content ideas. Each idea includes a hook, platform, format, pain point, and CTA. The goal is to create creator-ready, pain-driven content. Step 7. OpenAI Reasoning Engine for Content Ideation. This model powers the Content Ideation AI agent. It helps generate strong hooks and platform-specific content ideas, ensures ideas are relevant to N8N and CRM automation. Step 8. Normalize and parse content ideas output. This node cleans the AI output and removes formatting noise. It safely parses the JSON into a standard structure. This ensures downstream nodes receive clean data. Step 9. Append content ideas to content database. This node stores each content idea in Google Sheets. It builds a content database for future use. Each idea is saved with platform, hook, pain point, and CTA. Step 10. Create content task in ClickUp. This node creates execution tasks for the content team. Each task contains the content idea details. This helps move ideas into production. Step 11. Aggregate generated content ideas. This node aggregates all generated ideas into one list. It prepares the data for summary and notification. This makes team communication easier. Step 12. Generate Slack summary of content ideas. This AI node creates a short, skimmable Slack summary. It highlights total ideas, platforms, and top hooks. This keeps the marketing team aligned. Step 13. Send content ideation summary to Slack channel. This node sends the summary to the selected Slack channel. The team gets notified instantly when new ideas are ready. This closes the content discovery loop. Step 14. Workflow Error Handler. This trigger catches any workflow failure. It activates when any node errors out. This ensures errors don't go unnoticed. Step 15. Send a message, error alert email. This node emails error details to the team. It includes the failing node, error message, and timestamp. This helps debug issues quickly. This is how modern teams turn market intelligence into consistent execution. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.